Hey everybody, Steve back here with Cryptic Woodworks. So today I can do something that's fun and a little different for me and do some unboxing. I've gotten some packages from other people in the puzzle space, and I thought you might enjoy seeing these today. So I'm going to open them up for us. First, this kind of thin looking fella here. Come on, you, open up. And this is a pair of magazines, and I got two because I want to make sure I have some extras. If you haven't seen it, this is the Metragobologist Magazine. Great magazine if you're into puzzle making or puzzle collecting. I'll be linking to a site down in the comments here. But one of the things that I really have to point out in this one is that one of the articles in it is actually of me. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit of self-promotion here in my own video, but it was great to be able to come in here and have an opportunity to write an article for Dave, who runs the Metragobologist Magazine, and I was writing on tools and techniques for the puzzle maker, where I go into a lot of the things I use to make the puzzles and boxes and other things that I come up with here that help me get very accurate and also allow me to be creative in what I do. So I have two of these. Obviously, like my parents want one, so I may drive an extra copy for them. Now this other is a nice little unassuming box here that I really love. On the side of it is actually a little burned-in Jesse Bourne. This is from Jesse Bourne, of course, of Bourne Woodworks, who's been just developing some amazing puzzles, and I'll be linking to him as well. Another person I talk to regularly who just does such phenomenal work. When he asked if I was interested in buying one of his puzzles, I said, yes, definitely put me down on this. So, and he just sent this down to me. And I have not seen it at all yet, so this will be my first time getting a look at this puzzle as well. A nicely packed little piece here. And let's see, there's some more paper. Solving instructions, so I don't want to be reading those because I would certainly like to solve it on my own. So it's a nicely sealed little box here, very well wrapped. I like that. In fact, something I could take advantage of when I do some of my own. It's great shipping. Oh, wow. Would you take a look at that? I know from him this is a lot of Wengi for the sides, Bacote, Holly, excuse me, maybe a few other varieties. He does his own inlays and his own banding here and slices those out. So this is all inlaid together, and this is called the Jack-in-the-Box puzzle. And it's meant to hold a deck of cards, and I can actually kind of feel something in there, so I assume there is a deck of cards. So I'm not going to do a solve here, because certainly I don't want to give anything away for anyone. But I would like to say this is just an amazing looking little box, and I'm so happy Jesse was able to include me in this. So I'll make sure I link to him for you. He's another wonderful, wonderful puzzle maker. If you have a chance to get some of his items, I think you'd be really impressed with him. All right, I think that does it for today. Take care and stay dusty.